Heyo, it's your boy Taylor Grant. I'm here with Bellator Claims Resolution. I'm a licensed public insurance adjuster. Not a lot of people even know what that means, but I'll tell you this. We are licensed to help you as the policyholder or property owner fight the insurance company when they're treating you unfairly on a property insurance claim. So if you have a residential property, a commercial, industrial property, multifamily like HOA or condo association, apartment complex, contact us because we are licensed to help you fight the insurance company, and our results are incredible. Okay, like ridiculous, almost hard to believe, almost hard to convince our future prospective clients that this is what we're able to do because insurance companies are screwing clients so bad. Anyhow, I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Today's comes to us from Maureen of Loveland, Colorado. For the first time, I needed to file a claim. They stalled, lowballed, and took up an inordinate amount of time over many months. I have filed a claim on my property and they are even worse. All the homes in my neighborhood are getting new roofs from hail damage. Not me, of course. The insurance company wants to replace a few shingles. And let's be clear here, okay? Sometimes, depending on the policy and the damage, replacing a few shingles might be the answer, but it's like a 1% time, like 1% chance, one out of 100 times, that's the right solution. Okay? That means 99 out of 100 times that is not the right solution, and you need to make sure you're getting fully indemnified. Okay. They arbitrarily closed my claim. They have not responded for over 2 weeks to the photos, video, and roofing company report. I hear this all the time. I've sent information, I've tried to communicate with the insurance company, they still don't listen, they still haven't replied. Guess what? In most states, you have laws that protect you as a consumer. The insurance company must respond to you in writing. You have to also communicate to them in writing. Sometimes it's an email, sometimes it could be a fax, sometimes it could be snail mail, sometimes it could be sent by a pigeon. Nobody knows. Just kidding. Seriously though, they have to communicate with you in a timely fashion. Different laws have different requirements, so check with your state. Super easy to Google that information, so get that information, but just make sure that you're being treated fairly. If you're not being treated fairly, then you need to get somebody like us, Bellator Claims, involved to help you with your property insurance claim. If it's commercial, if it's industrial, if it's residential, if it's medical, if it's warehouse, whatever it might be, if you're not being treated fairly on your insurance claim, contact us today, bellatorclaims.com.